Good morning. I'd like to welcome everyone today. My name is Sergeant Pete Simpson, Portland Police Bureau, and today I have the honor and privilege of being the Master of Ceremonies as we promote 5 sergeants, 1 detective, and formally recognize 7 police officers who are being sworn in today. Khalid Ibrahim. Presenting Khalid with his badge is Officer Natasha Hansberger. Khalid was born in Mogadishu, Somalia, and moved to Cairo, Egypt in 2001, where he attended middle school. He attended Wilson High School, where he was a member of the track and field team. After graduating, Khalid went to Portland State University, where he graduated with honors, receiving a Bachelor of Science in Criminology and Criminal Justice with a minor in Psychology. While attending Portland State, Khalid became a member of the National Criminal Justice Honor Society. Khalid was an intern with the Portland Police Bureau Strategic Service Division, where he helped with human trafficking data. Khalid would like to thank Sergeant Greg Stewart and the entire SSD staff for allowing him to be part of their family when he was here. Khalid would also like to give special thanks to Officer Natasha Hansberger and Officer Tim Evans for their continued support for the Bureau's hiring process. Khalid is trilingual and speaks Arabic, English, and Somali. He is the first Somali-American to join the Portland Police Bureau. He likes to spend time with his family, play soccer, and watch his favorite team, Chelsea football, take on the English Premier League. Khalid is joined today by his family, friends, and a number of members of the African community.